Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Welcome to March is Antoinette's Vignettes. The host is Antoinette, and the co-host is Jody at Southern Seasons. This is marching into spring's garden. I hope you enjoyed my gardening vignette. Okay, my vignette this month is, of course, I started with my serving tray. I added a pair of gardening gloves. I added some carrots. I added this actually this was one of my thrift flips. Found this at a thrift store and redid it. It's a watering pump and some pansies. And then I have this little girl. I found her on clearance. She's a dash hound, and you know we have 2 dash hounds. This one reminded me of Trix, our little girl dash hound. And if you've known anything about dash hounds, they sure do like to dig, so they'd be the perfect gardening companion. And this is a little boy. We have a little boy dash hound called Oscar Mayer. That's why I picked them up a few years ago. And then to complete my vignette, I have this Easter bunny wreath that has carrots that matches to go with the carrots that's on my vignette. And even the carrot, it has little carrots in the bunny's basket. And at least the bunny's far enough away from the dash hounds we don't have to worry. But our bunnies, the dash hound just likes to bark at anyway. So that is my vignette. Hope you enjoyed it.